What's up, guys? It's Malik here from Random Cast, and today we're headed down to Lake Houston once more. We're gonna head over to my sister's house, so we don't have that much time to actually go and fish that much. We probably have like 3 hours to go fish, and hopefully we can make the best out of it and catch some catfish, maybe some white bass, some bass. I've never caught a bass from that place. Hopefully it goes well. And I'm here with my dad. Buddy, hola.
Hola.
There we go. All right, let's go, and hopefully it goes well. Today we're gonna start with my colors right here, the same split shot rig that we always use. Got this right here. Today we are at Lake Houston. As you can see, the water is really muddy, but it's normal because it rained yesterday, I think, and it has been raining for the past, I think, the weekend. There's a lot of people out here just enjoying the breeze and the beautiful day out here. Hopefully it goes well. Let's go ahead and cast this bad boy out.
Mira, ahí está el tuyo, mira. Ahí están sacando la cabeza aquí abajo.
Look at this fella. Look at this guy. He just came out of that hole. That's so cool. You gotta keep a distance because you never know if they have any disease or anything like that. Oh, but he looks so cute. Oh, they got sharp teeth. Alright, she's out. Don't steal my rod. Espérate, hombre. Espérate, pues. Espérate, pues. There we go, she's got it. Es hembra.
Ahí deja.
gonna give this one to the raccoon because I kind of did mess up his gills, so I'm just gonna give it to him. Oh, here it is. Oh. Alright, I'm gonna use this right here. I know I've got a really small hook on, but I mean, hopefully it works. What do we gotta lose? Alright, Dad caught a little yellow bass. You can keep whichever size of these. So we're gonna give it to the raccoon. Where's he at? Oh, he came! Oh man, right away. There we go. Ow! He got my finger. I don't have no more fish. Ya no tengo más. This is what we're giving her. Venga, venga.
No le eches todo. Poquitas.
There's no more. That's the last. Those are the last ones that I have.
Dame los cacahuates.
Somebody else wants to join us.
¿Qué lo hiciste?
Sorry if I'm moving the camera too much. I don't have a steady angle. Steady hand. Look at that. He's just eating that peanut. And then this guy. This one just seen him. Oh, this guy got close. Awesome! That's so cool. And I got it on camera. That's never happened to me before. Never. And then this guy's just watching.
Oh, look.
Oh, this is why I like fishing. There he is. There we go. Awesome. He's looking for more, but I got no more. He's like, don't touch me. That's so cool. That's so awesome. And a raccoon.
Mira ahí, te agarra con cuidadito, mira. Con cuidadito te agarra el... No, no, te muerde los dedos. Te agarra con mucho cuidado. Te muerde, mira. Mira, ¿ves? Órale, 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 órale.
¿Qué? Está bonito, ¿verdad?
Muy bien.
Okay. Well, we're gonna go ahead and keep this one. I'm gonna go ahead and post the regulations on these on right here, a little screenshot on the video. And I guess we're gonna have to do a catch, clean, and cook. Yeah, I put a little bit too much oil on it. Alright fellas, I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, go ahead and click that like button down below. Also, if you want to help me out, go ahead and hit that subscribe button as well, and don't forget to hit that bell button too, so you can get notified every time I upload a video. Thank you all guys for watching, take care, and I'll catch you on the next video. Peace. Is that a vulture? Ooh. Oh man, that's a cool bird.